Again, this is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is video 125 because we already finished the 124 and we went to W. I'm just going to restart it again, right? So I guess we'll go to the next number, 125. So what I want to do in this video is to show you the actual form, the registration form. And like I told you last time, I was gonna end up creating it anyway because I didn't want to go through all that HTML stuff. So if you see here, let's see, let's go back. It's not the login, it's index. What is it? What's this one? This one. This is your login, right? So let's go back to this right here. And sorry. So I created the actual file. The let me see. What I wanted to do. I created the register.php file because on the last video we did the actual. You know, when you log into it, what was it called? I forgot what I called it. Well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, if you're here and you don't have one, you hit this guy right here and it takes you to that form. So we'll do that. Let me show you. There's been some very strange, I don't know, man. Like this morning I heard an explosion. Like it was loud. It shook the building. And nobody's talking about it. I don't know. It's crazy. Anyway, so here it is. This is the HTML file. Remember the other one was called, what was it called? Oh, it's the index one, right? And, okay, let me see what the story is here. Because I think I'm... There's something strange happening. I guess not. Alright, so this is the actual, I'm sorry that there was a little gap there. Don't know how to take that out when I do the editing, so but I'm just going to leave it in. This is the actual HTML file. You know, give it space and stuff so you can see. It has your token, right? This is the token that gets created. And you know, it gets created when you do the index and you hit that, it goes into here. So when I went to the index here and I hit this, creates it for you. So it's in there. It's in here in the background. It's out there. It's a session, right? So now you got this. Right? You know what? Just like a regular form, you got your username, you got your password, you got your confirm password. Remember, that's what it always has. You got your register, submit. If you already have one, you go right back. And this takes you back to, why did I say long? I don't know how I got confused. Hold on. I'm recording. I'll call you back. So so we have this. It's a quick form, easy peasy, right? Look, quick. Yeah, put your username, name of the company, organization, and this will be a password, of course, and this would be password and confirm the password. And once you do that, we hit the sign up and it's going to take you to process-register.php. Oh, I did wanted to mention before this person calls me back because I am using Bootstrap, as you can see. Where is it? That's where we get Bootstrap. That's what gives me that nice little look, right? So I am looking at that. It gives me that style, because you can do a lot with Bootstrap. So get into it. It's really good. It's another thing that should be part of your thing. If you're going to be just PHP, fine, just do that. But I like to be a full stack guy. So that's why I kind of learned a lot of stuff. So like I mentioned, we need to make sure that we capture that essential username and password, right? Which is over here, confirm. And of course your placeholder, that's why I put all these little names in there. And which will tie into the future database schema, because we are using that the author, which is the authorized.php. It's actually opening a database and it's comparing your username and password. We will be doing that, but we just have to add some few things in it. Or maybe it'll be a separate, I don't know, I have to kind of look at it. So this is kind of what it looks like. I mean, it's not a bad thing. I do wanted to mention that the registration, this thing here should have what I wanted to do. Oh, just in case something happens, right? Like when you start a session, I should put that in there, because we're going to be here. Let me see. What I wanted to do is like to check. Remember how we do the session status? We go check, take that out. Remember how it says that it's PHP underscore session none? If it's equal to that, then you start your session, right? We're going to do that. So I'm going to put that in there. And of course, we're going to generate the CSRF token. If one doesn't accept, something, why don't we just do it? It's going to wait for the next video, but we'll just do it in here. And then on the next video, we'll do the process registration.php. So we'll go like this, right? Remember how we do this? Let's go here. Let's do this. And so I'm going to put here, what is it? Start the session at the top. I always like to put it at the top. Let me see. What is it? If session, we saw this a lot already. The status, and then we're going to go is equal to, let's make this, let's do these caps, PHP underscore session underscore none. Wait a minute, why isn't it doing it? I like to have this. What is it? I'm not pressing my button right? What is it? PHP underscore session underscore none. And then, of course, you're going to have your little curly brackets, right? Because you're going to do some few things. And I'm going to say, we're going to put it right here. What is this? Session start. And like this. And that's good. That's good enough. That should be the thing, right? That's I really like it to be. Yeah, let's do this. Make this smaller. As well, alright, session. Maybe I should check the other guy to see if it's all there. So then what we're going to do, we're going to generate the, let me see, we're going to generate the CSRF. So we'll put it over here. And I should be looking at my own stuff. I don't have to rewrite the stuff. But I know you have to check for the emptiness. And of course, that's your globals variable, right? And then you're going to put this, because it is an array. So we're gonna say, what was it? CSRF underscore token. Maybe I'm gonna have to check that. And then we'll go like this. You got your double whammy. Boo-boo. That, of course. Yeah, I should go look for the. Which one was it that had? Which one has it? I think we can just gonna. Let me see. I could just. Who has the one that we did? I think it was the actual dashboard or the config file, but I can't open it up because maybe I should open. Let me see. Problem with the config file has all that information I want people to look at. So I did made a copy and I called it new config. Oh, good. See, let's say I don't know what it is. It's just whatever. And this, there we go. So yeah, it's kind of basically what I wanted. Instead of, I did create it, so I might as well just. How do you get to the other file? So if I went here, I want to make sure I spell that right. Let me see. Yep, I spelled right. Get rid of that. So you got this. It's pretty good, right? Creates a binary to hex random byte 32, right? Remember those long looking stuff that you have? And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it, see, it's already a session. I don't have to put it inside, what you call it, let me see. I did put it in right here. Look, I didn't have to create it in here like I did the last time. I did, well, one of them I created it right inside here, but it's okay. This is great. CSRF, very good. So then what I want to do is I want to say require the config file. It's going to need it. So we're going to require. That's just the same thing as include underscore only once. We're going to require it only once. And then we're going to say config that php like that. I should put a little space there. And then what else? Maybe I should have had this thing set up already. Assuming that we're going to allow the registration constant thing, maybe we'll just do. Let me see right here. If not defined, allow registration, and then I'm gonna. I see we want to allow. Yeah, I should have did this before. Or how about that? Where's that stupid thing? Where do I get that? Oh, okay, right here. Like that. Okay. Or allow registration. That's just in case you do it one way or check it the other way. Registration, and I will say not equals true. And then we go like this. That's it. And then right here, curly brackets, because you're going to need a curly brackets. What is it that I need? Oh yeah, I want to die. I want to make sure that it didn't work out. So we're going to say something like registration is currently disabled. Yeah, I don't like it that way. Something's let's go back. Let's just get rid of this. Let's see. Registration is currently disabled for this system. We'll go like this, and then we'll do this, and then we'll do that, and boom. We are done. I think we're done. Yeah, that's it. We're done. So we'll go here, we can check this out. We'll go like this, we'll check this out, then we'll run the actual, and that's it. We're done. Let me see. Defined, did I spell that right? Define allow registration equals to or no or allow registration not equal to true. That's from when I created it. Where is it? Let's see. Oh, that's about it. Anyway, we reached the end. We're gonna save this, and hey, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and subscribe. And until next time, a good night.